What is going on, guys? It's your boy Style by Nate and welcome back to my channel and welcome to today's video. Firstly, I just want to start by saying that I hope every single one of you had an awesome Christmas. And obviously I want to wish every single one of you that watches this video a happy new year. I just hope everyone goes out and absolutely smashes 2018. I personally have got some amazing plans that I'm super excited for this year. That's some of them plans are including my channel, so super excited for that. But yeah, I kind of want to just start by saying Happy New Year, and I hope you all had an awesome Christmas. So as you can see by the title, I'm going to be showing you guys my top 5 man buns because I know by the comments a lot of you guys are also growing out your hair, and I know how hard it is, like getting through that awkward stage. I really struggled, so I personally was like always looking at pictures of man buns that I liked and things like that to like give me like a little bit of inspiration to keep going and keep on growing the hair. So I thought with a lot of you guys also kind of joining Team Man Bun and growing out your hair because you've all commented in the comment section below, I thought I'd try and make a video that gives you or keeps you inspired and keeps you going through that awkward stage. Number 5 for me, my 5th favourite man bun, if you like, is the absolute beast from Game of Thrones. Now I'm probably going to butcher quite a few of these names, but it's the absolute beast from Game of Thrones. But I think it's pronounced Jason Momoa. I actually kind of struggled to find like some decent pictures of Jason Momoa's man bun because he's that much of a beast. A lot of his pictures are like topless and all that kind of stuff. Number 5 is Jason Momoa from Game of Thrones, absolute beast. Alright, and then moving swiftly on to number 4 for me is a model that goes by the name of Brock O'Hearn. And this guy, he actually kind of was the like internet sensation, if you like, of like the man bun. Like I think from what I've read up about this guy, he kind of came out of nowhere. I think he just posted like a video online of him, like his hair's like proper long, and I think he posted a video online of him just putting it up into a man bun, and basically that video went viral. Yeah, he's got a sick man bun. I'm not normally a fan of blonde man buns, but yeah, I think his looks pretty sick. It's a solid bun, and yeah, I had to put him in there because he like was the person that kicked off the sensation that is the man bun or the messy man bun or whatever. So yeah, number 4 is Brock O'Hearn. Alright, and now coming in at number 3 is again another name that I'm gonna absolutely butcher, but I'm gonna go with Lasse Mattberg. Probably completely wrong. But again, he's blonde, but again, his man bun is absolutely sick, and he's an actor from I'm not sure if it's a series or a film, I've not actually seen it, but I think it's called Viking or The Viking, but he's an actor and a model, and yeah, his hair is a lot longer than mine. It's probably down to like his elbows. Yeah, so I think he's got a really strong bun, but I also think that he's got a really good beard. Now, I think that goes like hand in hand when you've got a man bun. If you've got a man bun, you've got to rock a really good beard, and yeah, I think, you know, his beard's shaped really square, which is something that I think he looks really good. So yeah, coming in at number 3, butchered, but Lasse Mattberg. Let's move on. Alright, and then number 2 on the list is actually somebody that I came across on Instagram, and his name is Hank G. I'll leave the link to his Instagram in the description box below. But yeah, Hank, like I said, I just come across him on Instagram, and he's a model, and I think his bun looks really good. I was torn between Hank and the person who I'm coming in at number 1. I was torn between them two, between 1 and 2. I really wasn't sure, and I'm still kind of not sure, so I'll put them on par, but his Instagram's also sick, so I definitely advise you guys to go and follow him. And yeah, I think, to be honest, like I think we look very similar. Similar kind of beard, similar kind of bun. Both got nose piercings, but yeah, I think his bun looks sick. So coming in, as I said, at number 2 is Hank G. Highly recommend you go and follow his Instagram, linked in the description. Okay, so taking the top spot in today's video is a model. I say top spot, like I just said, I'm not too sure. It's kind of joint between Hank and this guy called Finn Brock. Now, looking into him, I kind of come across him online, but looking at doing a bit of research into him, he's a model. But yeah, I think this guy's got a really strong look. It's kind of something that I'm going for. His hair is, as you can see from the picture that I'm showing you, his hair is actually a lot longer than mine. But I think this look looks really good. And yeah, it's all these guys inspire me in terms of growing my hair. Like I said, it's really hard to get through that that awkward stage. I thought about cutting mine on numerous occasions, but I didn't, and that's the best decision I've ever done. So if any of you guys are actually going through this process now and you're thinking about actually cutting it, don't do it, keep going, and literally you'll just wake up one morning and realise, oh, it's actually quite long, I can put it up in a bun now. So yeah, just grind through it and just keep looking. As stupid as it sounds, what I done was I kept looking through like Instagrams and people with man buns, and it kept me from cutting my hair. So yeah, these are my top 5 man buns, and I hope you can kind of draw some kind of inspiration from this video. Let me know in the comment section below if there are any other guys that you think I should go and check out, and I will do so. So that is going to be it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, of course, make sure you give the video a big thumbs up, and obviously if you're new, hit subscribe. I do normally post videos every week on a Sunday. I know this video isn't, I don't think this video is going to be up on a Sunday, but I normally post every single Sunday, so if you're new, make sure you hit subscribe. And also drop a comment in the comment section below letting me know, one, the guys that you think I should go and check out and draw inspiration from in terms of man buns, but 2, also, what kind of videos would you like to see? Let me know whether it's like some more hair tutorials. I've also been getting a lot of questions regarding my beard, so I think I'm gonna start some kind of series on my beard, whether it be like growing a beard, tips, styling a beard, trimming a beard, all that kind of stuff, as well as my man bun videos. They're always going to be coming, and yeah, I'm going to be making like a lot of outfit of the days and all that kind of stuff. So let me know in the comment section below what kind of videos you'd like to see. But yeah, thumbs up, hit subscribe if you're new. I hope you enjoyed it, guys. I will see you next Sunday. I'm not sure what day this video is coming out, but whatever day it comes out, Sunday coming up, I will see you then. Peace.